Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another special unboxing video. I think it might be Amazon, but if not, the links will be down below where you guys can check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And let's see what's in the box today. Right there. More snip. Here we go. What do we have here? Now these are always good to have around, since a lot of us are at home and you might want to change your scenery, your bathroom, your basement, anywhere that you are doing your vlogs, your Twitch streaming, Instagramming, YouTubing. It's coming from iDot2. We got some LED strips. Gotta test these out. Color your life. So much nicer. There we go. There's LED strips. We got the box. We got a sensor. You can split it, keep on adding on the remotes right here. Easy to use. Put that out. Pull that out. There's power. You got the juice. Back. Alrighty. There's a sensor. And the split, you could go that, you just plug those in there. I'll show you guys how it's done. Oh. I think I'm gonna set these up in my bathroom this time around. So we'll do it later on. The other part, you guys will check it out. So stay tuned, grab some popcorn. It's gonna be a long video, so here we go. Easy plug right there. Just plug it in for right now. I'll show you how these work. But once I gotta remove her. Oh, everything falls. Oh man, nose is running like crazy today. And let's take a look. These came early today, so oh wow. There's a lot. You got two reels. And these are easy to take apart. But like I said, we're going to do just a little test right now. And then I'm going to pause you guys. And then I will be most likely in the bathroom. I want you to go in your hole. Maybe I gotta turn it on. Okay, you gotta line it up. Two arrows right there. Ooh. Shiny disco ball. Okay, we got that mode. There's like a do-it-yourself mode. You program it. Three different DUIs. 6 different do-it-yourselves. And you can do auto. Flash. Slow. fade away. Well, you're gonna unspool it and then, you know, set it up. There's like a little sticky stuff on the back, but these are really nicely made. See, 3M tape. You gotta peel it right there. I think these are waterproof. Let me double check. Should not be collided or crushed. Strip can be cut following the lines. So there's lines right here. You get a snip. I'm not gonna do that because, like I said, I already got a couple in my room, and I think if this is waterproof, I think I could do the bathroom, just not by the shower. Just gotta figure out where I'm gonna stick these. But oh, we'll set up the second one. Same setup, but these have a nice locking. Like some of them don't like lock in together. Here we go. And this is a long. What size is this? I'm not sure what size this is, but this is a nice one. Look at that. And then we got solid color, purple, like the Undertaker. You know, this meat is great to change your room setting, so you don't have to stare at the white walls. I mean, I'm sure a lot of us are at that point right now. You got to switch it up, and this would be a great way, cheap way too. Instead of like painting it or just add a couple lights, paint it white or black in your room. These will look really nice. You do fade away. Just gotta press buttons, whatever button you like, whatever color you like. Just add it to do it yourself. And you can do quick. Great for movie theaters, gaming setups. Pretty much everything this thing is great for. Just to escape. I think you could adjust it. Yep, you could adjust it right here. See that it's low. And I think this is the highest setting, which is still really bright, especially daytime. Right now it's morning and I got lights on, so I mean, these are still really nice to have. And if you want to get festive, you could set it to green, red for Santa Claus, so you can see the house. And blue, I like the blue. There's a white. A lot of people use the white for like movies. Not me. I like to switch it up. Green is good. Blue is always good. Red's alright. Pink, I think this is. Kind of looks like purplish. And this is a nice feel though. These, just make sure you don't damage, crush them. Okay guys, I'm gonna set this up and be right back. Alright, YouTubers, here it is. I just got them set up in my door. I wasn't sure where to put them, but this looks really good. Then you can change color. Whoa, that's pretty cool. And one. Kind of looks like a Tron. Green. Whoa. And you can go brighter or darker. Bright. Ah, that's pretty cool. Looks like on the ceiling. Really cool, guys. So check them out. They'll ship it fast to you. And you guys be safe. Have a good night. See ya.